Hi, this is Rinsha. So today I'm gonna do the assignment 2 for the nested list. So I launched Jupyter. This is a new Python book. So for first we have created two variables, which is x and y, which we have to take the um, x equal to 3 and y equal to 3. So x and y are representing rows and columns, and now we will just create the nested list for the first task. Okay, so we have created nested list, and so we will just keep it the range between 1 to 10. We can also change the range. I will just show in an example. So for the first one, when I run, I will define x and y. I defined x and y, so now I got this because we have to take the value as 0, and whatever with y it will come as a 0 only when we multiply them. So for this one we will use the append function, and as I see, for the next task what we are doing is it have we have to create it into the 1 and 2 ranges. But as I use the hint where it is written that I need to add +1, so I won't get an exception, because when I tried with a mod b, it equivalent to 0, that was giving the exception. So when I will just take a+1 and b+1 as in equal to 0, and I will just create it, so we got the answer. So now for the task 3, we have to get the index values. So while I will run it, so this is the index values. So same here, here also we have taken the range into like 1 to 10, and just else, if it won't work, then else it will print the enter and it will see. So now let's see if I will take it here like 5, x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. So when I will run it, so you can see the 5 values are there. Again, for this one we got, see, 5, correct. And for the task 3 we got the more index values. So same as in when I will just take, it's like 11, so it must throw the error. So now it will come as else print this. So we got this. For this one also, when we enter, else print the answer. Same with the third one. When we will run, it will please enter the value of x and y between 1 to 10, because we have just set the range into 1 to 10. So now I will again just do it according to the assignment. It will go 3, and I will just make run. It is this, and this. So thank you for this.